When we were young, we wondered what our twilight years would be like. For decades, the Tung Group of hospitals has accompanied our service users on their paths towards elder life, providing support and acting as a confidant. The group has been providing elderly services since the 70s and has continued to evolve alongside social changes to facilitate secure, dignified and blissful elder living. Today, the Tung Group has become Hong Kong's foremost elderly service provider. There are over 60 service units under our jurisdiction. This includes residential homes providing different levels of care, district elderly community centres and neighbourhood elderly centres, daycare centres for the elderly, community care and support services for the elderly, as well as a wide spectrum of specialised services. Our service range spans all districts, providing over 3,300 residential home places, the largest service provider among all NGOs in Hong Kong. As the elderly population grows, our services will expand in the direction of ageing in place. Our community support services have benefited annually over 36,000 elderly citizens and caregivers of different classes and needs. The Tung Group adheres to professionalism and an evidence-based work ethic in providing quality elderly services, strolling alongside the elderly on their paths ahead. Through extensive training programs, our staff has kept up to date with cutting-edge working knowledge and techniques. Our staff, devoted to serving the community with professionalism and passion, has garnered much praise from service users and the public, becoming role models of the industry. Meanwhile, we are dedicated to developing specialised services that are evidence-based for elderly with particular needs. In the realm of dementia services, introducing the physical and mental revitalisation therapy devised by Japanese academics, and piloting local effectiveness studies. Collaborating with the university in providing music and movement intervention to dementia elders, and subsequent effectiveness analysis. Introducing robotic pets from Japan and designing a series of intervention activities based on psychosocial theories. Establishing Hong Kong's first dementia service centre that incorporates art activities and the promotion of intergenerational harmony as core missions. Working with research institutions to develop technologies that prevent loss of elders, and applying them to residential homes and daycare centres, as well as the designing and application of virtual reality to assist elders with home skills training. The group established Endless Care Services in 2009 to encourage the elderly, as well as caregivers, to openly encounter the last stages of life by discussing twilight care and funeral arrangements proactively. Furthermore, we have been promoting the mental health of elderly to service users as well as the wider public, continuously working towards improving the quality of elder life. Meanwhile, we have worked to expand end-of-life care in more communities and homes. Our professional team services patients of various stages of aging, as well as their caregivers, providing support in pain management, mental guidance, social connectivity, spiritual needs, and pragmatic problem solving, all to ensure peaceful departures and farewells. Although silver-haired, there is still much to adventure and explore in life. Fun and play sees no age limit. We have in recent years been actively developing services for the young old, such as diversified and self-challenging activities to aid their continuous search for and realization of possibilities. In order to encourage the elderly to train their bodies and establish good habits of health management, we have added exercise and health monitoring equipment to daycare centres, hoping that this will contribute to healthier and much more rewarding lifestyles. For elders of worsening health conditions, we have implemented a wide spectrum of innovative community care services in order to effectively assist with ageing in place. In addition to participating in multiple government-backed community care pilot schemes, we have also consistently rolled out innovative and congenial services to compensate for any service gaps in the community. To assist elders and caregivers in receiving the most suitable services, the group has also set up a one-stop service inquiry hotline. As the population ages rapidly, we are actively realising residential home redevelopment projects to diversify services and increase volume. This is to cater for the expanding demographic and its ever-changing needs and demands for care. One of our service features is to embrace technology as a method to improve service quality. We have, for example, implemented cutting-edge rehabilitation equipment in our service centres, as well as pioneering Hong Kong's first ever elderly homes medication management and information system many years ago. In order to achieve holistic care, we have implemented the One Station Worker operation model at select residential homes and daycare centres. Appointed health workers take on the role of holistic care practitioners, tending to the elderly's physical and mental well-being as well as their various daily needs, just like close comrades. In terms of caregiver support, we provide regular and diverse training programs that not only enhance caregiver capabilities, but also help to alleviate stress from caregiving. Meanwhile, we also encourage family members of residents to collaborate with the home on providing care to frail residents. We learn and grow from pragmatic and evidence-based work, while making every effort to promote our service experience and achievements to a wider audience, so that our professional wisdom can disseminate and affect more change. Through the publishing of variously themed printed matters, we provide practical guidance and professional perspectives to our service users and caregivers. Additionally, we share our service experience and achievements with the industry and beyond by setting up expos and large-scale exhibitions. We have also released a variety of mobile applications for the young-old, the caregiving community, and the younger generation, making access to professional information as easy as click and swipe. For over 40 years, the Tung Group of Hospitals has been striding alongside elders as companions, offering care and support to ensure long and healthy, as well as free and prideful lives. In the coming future, the Tung Group of Hospitals will continue to hold hands with those who stride the path towards a life of colourful, fulfilled and shimmering brilliance.